Take some chicken breast, clean it properly. Remove excess water and cut into small pieces. Now blend the chicken and make a fine paste. Keep the blended chicken aside and chop some onion, cilantro, and green chilies. Now add the chopped onion, green chilies, and cilantro with the chicken. It's time to add spices to make it more tasty and juicy. I will add garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and some black pepper powder. For binding, I will add 1 egg. To make it more crispy and smoothie, I will add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and ½ cup of all-purpose flour. Now it's time to mix everything together. I'm going to mix it well and let it rest for the next 2 hours so the chicken can absorb the spices. It's been 2 hours, and the chicken is ready to fry. I'm going to heat some oil in a pan, shape the marinated chicken into small balls, and fry them until they turn golden brown. They should be fried for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, I'll place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. In a cooking pot, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add some chopped onions and fry them for about 5 minutes. Then, I'll add bay leaves, green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a few cloves, and a cinnamon stick. I'll fry these spices along with the onions for another 5 minutes. When the onions turn golden brown, I'll add garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. I'll cook everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'll add some water and cook for about 5 more minutes. Then, I'll add the chicken balls and cook for another 5 minutes. After that, I'll add some milk and let it cook on medium to low heat for about 15 minutes. Until the curry thickens and looks rich. Finally, I'll add a couple of curry leaves. And here it is, our spicy chicken kofta curry is ready. You can serve it with plain boiled rice. Look how delicious it is. Try this recipe, it's super delicious, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Enjoy!